Hi, we're going to talk about insulin cell signaling pathway. First, the insulin comes from the pancreas and from what we eat and goes into a cell receptor, or otherwise known as inactivating the IRS, which is the insulin receptor substrate, and it's transmitting the cell from the insulin receptor to the cell's interior, which then goes to the P13K, which is the phosphorodienoacetate 3 kinase. That plays a crucial role in transmitting the signals from the insulin receptor to the various cellular processes, such as the AKT, which is the protein kinase, also known as protein kinase B, which is involved in various cellular processes, including this signaling pathway, which then goes to the GSK3, which is the glycogen synthase kinase 3, which is another key enzyme involved in the signaling pathway that goes beyond glycogen synthase and including the regulation of gene expression and cell progression. Then, which is coming from the glycogen synthase, which then is the glycogen synthesis, and that is an enzyme involved in the synthesis of glycogen and the storage form of glucose, which all then goes from the AKT to the mTOR, which is a protein synthase autophage, and the mTOR is a mechanistic target of the rapamycin, which is a protein synthase that plays a crucial role in regulating the cellular processes such as growth, metabolism, and protein synthase. Then the glucose goes to the GLUT4, also known as the glucose transporter 4, which is a protein responsible for transport cells and transporting glucose into the cells. That goes down, and then glucose transporter 4 has its translocation, which then, similar to glucose transformer 4, glucose transformer 1 is another member of the glucose transporter family, and then that goes to the AMPK, also known as the AMP activated protein kinase, which acts as a cellular energy sensor that monitors the levels of the AMP and the ATP within the cell. And then the ischemia AMP nutrients also go to the AMPK, which from AMPK, that goes to the ATP synthase risk pathway, and then comes to the AKT and also the mTOR. That is the end. I hope you enjoyed.